Hey my loves, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back again with, I haven't really done a lot of hijab tutorials, so today I finally decided to do one. I'm coming up with a lot, so you need no worry about that. This is a really easy hijab style. Trust me, it is quick and you wouldn't have to waste a lot of time doing that. So if you want to know how I achieve this fly look, then I'll keep on watching. And if you do enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Share with your friends and subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it. Let's get on with the video. Let's go.
So I'll fold the hijab slightly in just for a little bit of coverage of my head, and then pin that behind the back of my head. Now there's a long side and short side, so yes. Now I will push everything forward. That way you have this flowy thing along your so I don't know. Okay, so I'm just going to fold this part slightly in because I don't really like the edges showing, and I'll pin it down up there. Now please be careful when you're pinning it this down because I hit myself a couple of times, so yeah, be careful. And I will frame this across my face real quick and then wrap that around my head. Yes, and just pin it down. I like to pin it close to my face because I want to cover the part where I raised up. Yeah, the part where you pin first, I want to cover it that way it's not visible. So that's why I pin it close to my face like that. And so simple, so easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribers as well, and your sisters, share with everybody. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and assalamu alaikum.
Saying that you miss me, I ain't even left. We could play our own game, we don't need a ref. This world, it belongs to us. And nowadays dudes act like it's wrong to love, but that shit's so gay to me. Man, these dudes so lame to me.